Explore Melbourne Central, a dynamic hub with 300-plus retailers on 5 levels, featuring flagship stores like General Pants, Nike, and Adidas Originals. After hours, dive into entertainment on Level 3 with Hoyt Cinema, Be Lucky and Sons, Strike Bowling, The Pancake Parlor, and Asian Beer Cafe. Discover unique architectural gems, such as the iconic Marionette Watch in Shot Tower Square, where the historic Hoop Shot Tower proudly stands. The Glass Cone, a modern addition by Japanese architect Kisho Kurokawa, adds a touch of brilliance to Melbourne's skyline. Conveniently located atop the City Loop, accessible via Melbourne Central train station and the free City Circle tram, with 820 two-car parks available. Families can unwind in the Parents' Retreat, and the Little Library and Link Bridges offer moments of tranquility. Whether you're here for shopping, dining, or unexpected adventures, Melbourne Central, between Lonsdale and La Trobe, awaits. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre is located in Melbourne, Victoria, Vic 3000. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre offers more than 250 stores and other services such as cinemas or restaurants. Get information about opening hours, store list directions with map and GPS. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre is located on address 211 La Trobe St. Melbourne, Victoria, Vic 3000. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide playlist. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.